Hello, my name is Patrice Haney, and today I will be going over a simple real estate decision on whether or not I should refinance. We're going to start with the price. Bought a house for $300,000. Put that in dollar terms. Next is the loan to value, which is 90%. The loan will be 90% times 300,000 equal, which is 270,000. Next, we're going to do the payment. But before we do the payment, we have to know the rate and the term. The rate is 6%. The term is 30 years. Now we can calculate the payment. We're using the PMC or payment calculation. We take the rate, which is 6%, divide that by 12 because we're doing monthly payments. Then the number of years or number of payments times 12. We want to get 360. The PV is the loan amount, close parentheses, and I got $1,618.79. Now we want to calculate the annual payment for 1 year. We take that payment, multiply that by 12, and hit equal. I got $19,425.44. Now we're going to do this in a new situation. Refinancing after 8 years. So what I want to tell you is know the balance of the old loan. And to do that, you have to take the PV equal PV, present value. The rate is 6%. Divide that by 12, comma, open parentheses, 30 minus 8, times that by 12, comma, the payment, close parentheses, enter. And you get $236,985.36. Now we're going to do the new rate, new term. The new rate is 4.5%. Term is still 30 years. And I'm only going to stay at this house for 5 years. And to calculate the cost of this loan, we have to factor in the origination, which many fees, which is 1%. And fees are $800. Oops, make that 1%. Now, we want to calculate the payment. You do equal PMT function. The rate is going to be 4%, 4.5% divided by 12. It's still going to be 30 years, comma, and take that new loan. Oh, forgot to multiply that by 12. Close parentheses, equal. I actually got that in percent. It should be just a regular number. It'll be just 30. And that's going to change that to $1,200.77 as the payment. And you want to calculate the annual payment. You just take that payment and multiply it by 12. So go on how much we calculate today. We have to find out the origination percentage. And to do that, you do 1% times the loan, which gives you $2,369.85. And this will play a factor later on. So now with the calculation, we have to calculate the fees. So we do equal sign. Since it's a positive, we're going to make this a negative. Minus $2,369.85, which gives me $3,169.85. Since we understand for 5 years, we're going to spread this out for 5 years. And just highlight it down and go 3, 4, 5. Just like that. Now we want to calculate how much we save here. We take the new, subtract the old, which gives you $5,016.20. We're gonna bring that all the way to number 5. You just equal that, copy, and drag that to get you the same amount. Now we'll do the payoff comparison. We will take the old, the new, and it will be 13 years for this one. That's 8 plus 5. And this will be 5 years. And to do this, we do the present value function. We take the old rate, divide that by 12. And we're going to do open parentheses 30 minus 13, close parentheses, multiply that by 12, close parentheses, and the payment is going to be that, close parentheses. Next we're going to do is the new, is the same thing. The rate is going to be 4.5 divided by 12. open parenthesis, 30 minus 5, close parenthesis, multiply by 12, comma, payment, close parenthesis, equal. You can see it's about a $10,000 difference, just about. So now we're going to get the difference from the new to the old. It'll equal this minus the old equal $9,315.96. But we are going from old to new. So we're going to take that, subtract that from the new, and hit equal. That's still just about the same thing, but made it a negative. And now what we're going to do is copy and paste that down here. Equal. And now we're going to get the total of these guys. Hit the sum function. Equal. We're going to drag that all the way down. Okay, now that we have done that, we are going to do the IRR. I'm going to put that down here. And you see how non-accurate IRR can be while having positive and negative values. We're going to use the IRR value function. We'll highlight these guys. Close parentheses equal. You see it give you 152%. That's kind of a little bit high. So we're going to do the NPV value. And to do this, we do the NPV function. Just going to put 0.1, comma. And we're only going to take the future cash value. Close parentheses. And since it's a negative, we're going to add it. And you should get $10,061 even. Since this is a positive, you should refinance.